In last class we studied about properties of Bessel function and recurrence formula. In this class we solve some problems. First, prove that j 1 by 2 of x is equal to square root of 2 divided by pi x sin x. B, j minus 1 by 2 of x is equal to square root of 2 divided by pi x cos x. We already know about Bessel function. Bessel function is Jn of x is equal to summation of r equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power r x by 2 whole to the power n plus 2r into 1 divided by gamma of n plus r plus 1 r factorial. Take this as equation number 1. We want 1 by 2. Therefore, put n is equal to 1 by 2 in this equation. Then we have j 1 by 2 of x is equal to summation of r equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power r x by 2. In the place of n we have to substitute 1 by 2 plus 2r 1 divided by gamma of 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2 r factorial. Next, x by 2 to the power 1 by 2. X by 2 to the power 1 by 2 means square root of x by 2. Next, x by 2 to the power 2r remains same. Summation of r equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power r x by 2 whole to the power 2r 1 by 2 be here 1 divided by gamma of r plus 3 by 2 r factorial. On expanding this we have square root of x by 2. Here is summation. First put r value as 0 means minus 1 to the power 0 means 1 x by 2 to the power 0 1 divided by gamma of 0 plus 3 by 2 means gamma of 3 by 2 0 factorial is 1, that is 1 divided by gamma of 3 by 2. Next, plus summation of minus 1 to the power 1 0, next 1 2 3 minus 1 to the power 1 means minus, here becomes it is become minus x by 2 to the power 2 into 1 2 x by 2 whole square 1 divided by gamma of 1 plus 3 by 2, that is 5 by 2 1 factorial plus minus 1 square means plus 1 x by 2 to the power 4 1 divided by gamma of 2 plus 3 by 2, that is 7 by 2 2 factorial and so on. We know that gamma of 1 by 2 is root pi. This is the standard value of gamma of 1 by 2 is square root of pi, and gamma of n is equal to, this is the property, gamma of n is equal to n minus 1 gamma of n minus 1. By putting n is equal to 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2, we get the following values. Means gamma of 1 by 2 is root 2. We want gamma of 3 by 2, gamma of 5 by 2, gamma of 7 by 2 and so on. Therefore, by putting n is equal to 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2, in this we get gamma of 3 by 2, gamma of 5 by 2, gamma of 7 by 2 and so on. First, gamma of 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1, that is 1 by 2. Gamma of 3 by 2 minus 1, that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 gamma of 1 by 2 by using this for property. We already know gamma of 1 by 2 is root pi, therefore root pi divided by 2. Next, gamma of 5 by 2. Gamma of 5 by 2 means 5 by 2 minus 1, gamma of 5 by 2 minus 1. That is 3 by 2, gamma of 3 by 2. 3 by 2, gamma of 3 by 2. Gamma of 3 by 2 is root pi divided by 2. That is 3 root pi divided by 4. Next, gamma of 7 by 2 means 7 by 2 minus 1, gamma of 7 by 2 minus 1. 7 by 2 minus 1 is 5 by 2. 5 by 2 gamma of 5 by 2 is equal to, we already know gamma of 5 by 2 is 3 root pi divided by 4. That is 15 by root pi divided by 8. Substituting these values in this equation number 2, then we get gamma of j of 1 by 2 of x is equal to root x by 2 into bracket gamma 1 divided by gamma of 3 by 2 is root pi divided by 2. Taking reciprocal, it becomes 2 divided by root pi minus x square divided by 4. X square divided by 4 1 divided by gamma of 5 by 2. Gamma of 5 by 2 is 3 root pi divided by 4. We want 1 divided by gamma of 5 by 2, therefore taking reciprocal this 4 divided by 3 pi root pi plus x to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 4 means 16. Taking reciprocal this 8 divided by 15 root pi 2 factorial means 2 and so on. Simplifying this root x divided by 2 root pi root pi root pi root pi. Taking common outside, square root of x divided by 2 pi. The remaining terms are 2 minus x square divided by 4 get cancelled, 3 plus, and cancelling this and solving this, x to the power 4 divided by 60 and so on, is equal to square root of x divided by 2 pi into and taking common as 2 by x, 2 and divided by x, taking common outside, inside is 2 is common outside, therefore divided by x means divided by x is also taking common outside, therefore it becomes x. X get cancelled, remaining is only 2 minus x cube divided by 6 plus x to the power 4 divided by 120 and so on. We have taken 2 by x as a common factor, keeping in the view of desired result. we take common as 2 by x because we want here sin x. We want sin x. Therefore, taking common as 2 by x, we get sin x. j1 by 2 of x is equal to square root of 2 divided by pi x, x minus x cube divided by 3 factorial plus x to the power 5 divided by 5 factorial and so on. This is the series of sin x. Therefore, we get j to the power j 1 by 2 of x is equal to square root of 2 divided by pi x sin x. Second one, j of minus 1 by 2 of x. Minus 1 by 2 means put n as minus 1 by 2. j 1 by minus 1 by 2 x is equal to summation of r equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power r x by 2 whole to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 2r 1 divided by gamma of r plus 1 by r into r factorial. X to the power minus 1 by 2 taking outside, x by 2 whole to the power minus 1 by 2 summation of r equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power r x by 2 whole to the power 2r 1 divided by gamma of r plus 1 by 2 r factorial. J of minus 1 by 2 of x, x by 2 whole to the power minus 2 means 1 divided by square root of x by 2. Taking reciprocal, we get square root of 2 divided by x, and writing this summation, writing this as in series 1 divided by r equal to 0 means minus 1 to the power 0, that is 1, x by 2 to the power 0, 1 divided by gamma of r means 0, gamma of 1 by 2, 0 factorial is 1, gamma of 1 by 2 minus x by 2 whole to the power 2, it becomes minus 1 divided by gamma of 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2 1 factorial plus x by 2 whole to the power 4, 1 divided by gamma of 5 by 2 2 factorial, it is minus 1 square means plus, and so on. Using the value of gamma of 1 by 2 is equal to root pi, we get the values gamma of 3 by 2, gamma of 5 by 2 and so on, same as it is in the last problem. That is j of minus 1 by 2 of x is equal to root 2 by x 1 divided by gamma of 1 by 2 is root pi, 1 divided by gamma of root pi is 1 divided by root pi minus x square divided by 4 into gamma of 3 by 2 taking reciprocal 2 divided by root pi plus x to the power 4 divided by 16. The value of this is 4 divided by 3 root pi into 2 factorial is 2 and so on. Next 2 divided by root 2 square root of 2 divided by x taking common as pi, root pi, square root of 2 divided by pi x, remaining is 1 minus x square divided by 2 factorial plus x to the power 4 divided by 4 factorial and so on. This is the series of cos x.